Hello everyone, welcome to our daily quiz session designed to help you prepare for the AFO exam. Today, we will test your knowledge and skills in key areas relevant to today's target topics. If you are missed our today's target topics, check out my previous shorts video for more information. Without any delay, let's start our quiz. First question, which of the following is the warmest layer of atmosphere? Option A, thermosphere. Option B, stratosphere. Option C, mesosphere. Option D, exosphere. Answer, option B, stratosphere. Second question, prediction of monsoon is based on the statistical observation of dash. Option A, short range forecasting. Option B, long range forecasting. Option C, moderate range forecasting. Option D, medium range forecasting. Answer, option B, long range forecasting. Third question, cold region of atmosphere is dash. Option A, thermosphere. Option B, mesosphere. Option C, troposphere. Option D, exosphere. Answer, option B, mesosphere. Fourth question, 0 to 33.3 is the MDI value of which of the following region? Option A, humid. Option B, subhumid. Option C, arid. Option D, subarid. Answer, option B, subhumid. Fifth question, snow is a ice crystals resulting from dash. Option A, sedimentation. Option B, sublimation. Option C, deposition. Option D, absorption. Answer, option B, sublimation. Sixth question, micro watershed or dash. Option A, more than 50,000 hectare. Option B, 100 to 1000 hectare. Option C, 10,000 to 50,000 hectare. Option D, 1000 to 10,000 hectare. Answer, option B, 100 to 1000 hectare. Seventh question, the SI unit of temperature dash. Option A, Fahrenheit. Option B, Celsius. Option B, Kelvin. Option D, Kelvin and Celsius. Answer, option B, Celsius. Eighth question, isotope is element having equal amount of dash. Option A, neutron. Option B, proton. Option C, electron. Option D, neutron and proton. Answer, option A, neutron. Ninth question, which of the following is the dense part of the atmosphere? Option A, thermosphere. Option B, mesosphere. Option C, troposphere. Option D, exosphere. Answer, option C, troposphere. The last and final question of this quiz. Alcohol is used in which of the following thermometer? Option A, maximum thermometer. Option B, minimum thermometer. Option C, infrared thermometer. Option D, air thermometer. Answer, option B, minimum thermometer. That's all for today's quiz. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.